How to fix Spotify not playing downloaded songs. If Spotify isn't playing your downloaded songs, there are a few quick steps you can take to fix it. First, check that offline mode is turned on in your Spotify settings and that the songs are fully downloaded to your device. If everything looks fine but playback still doesn't work, try restarting the app or your phone. You can also clear the app's cache in your device settings or check if there's an update available for Spotify that might resolve the issue. If you're using an SD card, make sure it's properly inserted and not corrupted, as this can interfere with downloaded content. Lastly, double-check that your Spotify Premium subscription is still active, since downloads won't work if the subscription has expired. These steps usually help restore access to your offline music and get things running smoothly again. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.